Okay, Captain Cook Hotel, room 703. This is in Tower 1. Tower 1. As you come in the entrance, there is a door here so that you can have an adjoining room next to you if you need it. Also, we got this little carrier here to put your luggage on. This sliding door, I'll just show you that much of it. Get the idea. This is fully handicap accessible, which I will need. There's the grab bars. Everything's within reach. We got a shower bench, shower handles. The shower head drops down so I can reach it. It is roll in, easy accessible for the wheelchair, and you even got a chair to slide over into to dry off if you need to. Okay. There's your AC controls. Over here you got your flat screen TV. You got this wardrobe to put your stuff in. Extra chair, a desk. Plenty of space. I like the shelf area here. This is pretty nice. Over the heating and cooling system. You got this great view over this inlet here where Captain Cook rolled up in here one day. You got extra chair over there, a nightstand, a nice big bed, and the bed is accessible from either side with a wheelchair. As you can see, there's my wheelchair right there. It can turn completely around there, here in the middle, and on the other side, and in the shower. So it's very easily, fully handicap accessible room here, room 702. Inside the cabinet, look at this. You got robes you can wear, slippers, extra blankets, an ironing board. Down here we have a refrigerator, ice bucket with glasses, and some drawers. So it's a really nice setup here. Also, we have this Keurig coffee and tea maker over here with a variety of teas, some cups, some to-go cups. Got some bottled water for us, writing pads, telephone.
The bathroom has Q-tips and cotton balls.
And here's your welcome information. Look at there. Anything you might need to know. It's all on blank pages. Right here at Captain Cook Hotel.
Did you?
No, what?
The bathroom has cotton balls
And in the bathroom, cotton balls, Q-tips, lotion, some soap. There's regular hand soap. I already jumped on it. Look at plenty of towels and toilet paper. And a hair dryer if you need it.
If you would like to support this channel, please consider becoming a member. Or hit the super thanks icon below. We really do appreciate it. Until next time, we'll see you around the channel.
See you around the channel.